Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use focus mode in Microsoft Word. So once you're inside Microsoft Word and you have your document that you want to read guys, it's very easy to access. So how to do it? You just want to go ahead and click and view from your menu options here at the top. And then once you're here, you will find under immersive, you have the option that says focus. Simple click on that, and that's going to take you right into focus mode. So you can focus. It looks something like a dark mode or black mode within Microsoft Word. And as you can see, it helps you to focus and eliminate all distractions. So you can focus on the document. It actually even very good to use at night as well when you want to read. So that's very, very useful. So this is how you can easily find and activate or use the focus mode in Microsoft Word. Now you might be wondering, how do I exit that? It's very easy. On your Windows keyboard, simply press on escape, and that's going to take you back right into your document. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.